Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add about us in Shopify. So to do that in this platform you will need to create the page, okay? So in Shopify admin right here you will need to go to the online store. So just right here under the sales channel, right? So now you will need to click on pages. So it's under the online store right there. Okay, so here all you need to do is go to the add page at the top right corner of the website. And there you go. So you will need to set the title to about us. Okay, and here you will need to write your company story, mission, team info, photos, etc. Okay, so you can add the photos just from here, insert image, you can insert videos as well, and also edit, or you can edit the font from here, right, and the colors of it. Okay, and once finished you can go with save. Okay, so after saving it, you will need to add it to your store navigation. Okay, so go back to the online store right here, go to navigation. Okay, so the navigation that you can find here under the preferences. All right, so if you have the paid version of Shopify and it's not the free trial, you will find it under preferences here on left hand menu. So you will need just to click it and then just open the main menu or footer menu if you want it there, and then just click add menu item and name it about us. So for link, choose pages and about us, and then just click add and then save the menu. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.